Alright, today we have some huge updates coming to HighLevel. This is mainly going to improve your experience in the funnel builder. So if you already use HighLevel for yourself or your clients, you'll find them super helpful. And if not, you can get a 14-day free trial if you sign up with my link in the description. Next is going to be the brand board. So again, more on the branding side after the custom fonts. So brand board is basically going to be your colors, your brand colors that you use on the website. So currently, if you, let's say I want to update the background on this button. Now you need to search for the background color. Under general, you have the background color and you had to add it here under custom colors. Add one, enter the name, enter the code, and just hope that you don't forget it or it doesn't get lost. For example, in my case, you see I have this green edit already 3 times because I always just lost it. Now I already have the brand colors added. I have two main colors, this golden yellow and the green. Here's my brand book, so it was pretty easy. And inside HighLevel, you just need to go to marketing. And on the top, you have brand boards. You have two options to create a design kit or a brand voice. Brand voice is going to be your brand tone and messaging. So it's best if you have a copywriter working inside your HighLevel. But for me, I just move forward with the design kit. I already have one created for the brand, but I'll just show you how you can do it. So we'll start one from blank. Click continue, and then you can just name it My Amazing Brand. Update your logos. So I already have the logos updated here. Let's say we do this cute cat, and that's all my only logo. Now let's add some colors. So you need to switch here at the top and click the color. And let's say this blue is your color, or in my case, I just have the codes here, so I just select, copy, paste, and just name it green. And then you can do the same with the white. And you can also update the font as well. So soon you'll have the custom fonts. For me, my brand uses Poppins. And then you can just save the board. And once you go back, let's refresh this page. Okay, so now I have two existing brand boards, and you see the Whoopscare brand is the default. That's why I can't use the new colors. So if you go to another button, click the background color, I still have the other two colors that I set up. So to change this, you need to select this and set as default, and then you can refresh your page and then use your new branding colors and the new logos as well. So let's check again. Scroll down, background color, and then we have the new colors with the white and the green. Now let's say you want to add your logo, so you can just click the plus icon, select image, and then go to the image section, go to media storage, and you can actually click on the brand boards. And here you have the two brands that exist in your ad account. So I'm going to use My Amazing brand, and here we have the cat. So now we have a new amazing logo and we can use it, and you can use it everywhere. So here's another image. You can go here, brand board, My Amazing brand, and use this logo. Now you don't need to create separate folders for these, so it's going to be much easier to manage. In the comment section, let me know what you think about these updates. Let me know which one was your favorite, and don't forget to grab your free trial. You'll also get access to automation, snapshots, you'll get support on every day of your trial, and also an onboarding call, live Q&A calls, and you'll also get instant access to my private school group.